Hello guys, welcome to an next video new video, and in this video I'm gonna give an update on price of Bitcoin. So today is Monday, another Bitcoin weekly candle close, and as we can see, Bitcoin yet again closed another week above our 59,000 level. So on our last update we were discussing whether Bitcoin would be able to hold above our 59,000 level. As we can see, Bitcoin last week was retested as low as 58,414 and managed to bounce and close above our 59,000 level. So far we can say that Bitcoin was able, our 59,000 level was able to hold, and this is a good indication that the market is still respecting this level. So, and this proves how important this level is for Bitcoin at the moment. We can see the DXY slow down a little bit, and the DXY retested as high as 106.1, but this week we can see that it's kind of slowing down a little bit as Bitcoin was able to hold our 59,000 level. For DXY Bitcoin ratio, we can see that the ratio is moving sideways, the same as the price. And the most important thing that we were discussing is the RSI breaking this downward trend line to the upside, and we are officially above this line for the second week in a row. So because our main concern for Bitcoin still remains, we know that breaking this downward trend down to the upside is bearish, and we mentioned on our last update that as long as we don't lose our 59,000, as long as Bitcoin doesn't lose the 59,000 level, that would be a point for the bulls. So far the bulls are keeping this level and keeping 1 point on their side. So the only concern that still remains is this RSI being above this level. We will have to see if Bitcoin, this means that Bitcoin, to survive this indicator, Bitcoin needed a bounce from the current level, to challenge our 77,000 level. That would, like we've been saying, that would reverse the RSI on the DXY Bitcoin ratio, and most likely send it back to its original position. But so far this doesn't seem to be happening. So the only good thing that we can mention now is that we are still holding our 59,000 level. This is the most important thing that the bulls are holding as a positive sign to actually have a possibility to keep pushing toward our 77,000 level. So the fear and greed index, for that reason, we retested as low as 30 two times. We retested as low as 30. You can see we touched 30 two times, and the only time that we retested 30 level was in September 2023, and we can see on the chart that September 2023 was when Bitcoin was actually finding support above our dark blue channel, there was a lot of fear, and we can understand that where there is fear, there is opportunity, and we can see retesting the 30 on the fear index, what happened to Bitcoin next. So we are currently holding a 59,000 level, which is a level that Bitcoin struggled on the previous bull market. We got rejected on the 59,000 level. That was the top of the last bull market. During this time, greed was above 90. Very curious thing that we can see now is that we are holding this level, but with fear at 30. So here we had greed at 90. Everyone was excited, and now everyone is fearful, and we are still holding the 59,000 level. This most likely can tell us something really important for those who are still believing in holding our 59,000 level. Why the market is fearful, and we can understand how important 59,000 level is so important. So the Bitcoin dominance is still moving sideways, waiting for the decision, to the breakout. I mentioned that breaking the 59,000 level to the downside would most likely push the dominance below this Fibonacci level. And as we're still holding it, we can see that the dominance is still moving sideways. We can see the RSI on the dominance is still above the 50, which means Bitcoin still has a chance to move above, continue to progress above our 59,000 level. Most likely still has the opportunity to challenge our 77,000 level. So yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Monday. Cheers.